In this chapter, we're going to dig in and start talking about the different aspects that help make up a service value system. In particular, we'll introduce the core ITIL guiding principles and how they really provide an immutable basis for thinking about how we focus on and create value and the different key aspects to keep in mind as we carry out and execute our practices in delivery of service. We'll introduce the idea of 4 dimensions, that we want to be able to consider our services and our practices in the context of our people and organizations, in the context of our technologies and infrastructures and so forth, in the context of our suppliers and partners, and of course in looking at our processes and value streams. We'll look holistically at the service value system, and we can think of IT service management really as a way to execute a service value system, establishing guiding principles and governance, establishing improvement in practice, and then ultimately being able to execute on this thing we call a service value chain. How do we plan for things? How do we engage with stakeholders? How do we improve our activities and practices? How do we actually do design and transition? How do we obtain and build components? How do we eventually deliver and support service?